you in your 40s and feeling stuck in your career? Do you dream of financial freedom and the ability to work on your own terms? If so, then you're not alone. In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities to turn your passions into profitable online side hustles. In this video, I'll reveal some top online side hustles that are perfect for people in their 40s. I'll share actionable tips and strategies that will help you get started and achieve your financial goals. So stay tuned and discover how you can unlock your earning potential. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is content creation. If you've got a passion or expertise, consider sharing it with the world through content creation. You could start a blog where you can write about your thoughts, your experiences, or even your insights. Perhaps you're more visually inclined and could create highly engaging videos on YouTube. Or maybe you enjoy talking and you could start a podcast. The possibilities are endless. The key is to find a niche that you're passionate about and that has a high demand in the marketplace, and you create content that resonates with your audience. Remember, building a successful content creation business takes some time and some effort. It's important to be consistent, to engage with your audience, and to continuously improve your skills. But the rewards can be immense, both financially and personally. One effective strategy for content creation is to focus on creating evergreen content. This means content that remains relevant and valuable over time, rather than being tied to current events or trends. Some examples of evergreen content include how-to guides, tutorials, and articles that offer timeless advice or information. By creating evergreen content, you can build a library of valuable resources that will continue to attract readers and viewers for years to come. Let me now give you tip number 2, which is to start an e-commerce business. E-commerce offers a world of possibilities for those looking to start an online side hustle. You could open up your own online store and sell physical or digital products. If you don't want to deal with inventory, drop shipping might be a good option. Or if you're creative, you could explore print-on-demand services to create custom products. The beauty of e-commerce is that you can start small and grow your business gradually. With the right platform and marketing strategies, you can reach a global audience and build a profitable online web store. When starting an e-commerce business, it's important to choose the right platform. Some popular options include Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy. I recommend that you consider factors such as ease of use, the cost, and the features when selecting a platform. Additionally, I recommend that you focus on creating a user-friendly website with clear product descriptions, high-quality images, and a secure checkout process. Effective marketing strategies such as search engine optimization, SEO, and social media advertising can also help you to attract customers and grow your sales. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is online freelancing. Freelancing allows you to leverage your skills and expertise to earn income. Whether you're a writer, editor, graphic designer, or programmer, there are platforms like Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, and Freelancer where you can find clients worldwide. The key is to find a niche where your skills are in high demand and to build good relationships with potential clients through online communities and social media. Remember, freelancing can be a competitive market. To help you succeed, you need to be reliable, deliver high quality work, and continuously improve your skills. But the rewards can be great, including flexibility, autonomy, and the ability to set your own pay rates. Now, to help you stand out in the competitive freelance market, it's important to have a strong online presence. I recommend that you create a professional portfolio website to showcase your skills and your experience. I suggest that you use social media to connect with potential clients, share your work, and establish yourself as an expert in your field. Additionally, I also recommend that you consider joining relevant online communities and forums to network with other freelancers and potential clients. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, consider offering online tutoring services. This could be anything from maths or science to languages or even exam test preparation. There are many online tutoring platforms where you can connect with students like VIP Kid. The best part is that you can set your own schedule and work from the comfort of your home or anywhere else. Remember, online tutoring requires some patience, communication skills, and a passion for teaching others. But if you enjoy helping others learn, it can be very rewarding and a fulfilling side hustle. Now, to help you attract students and build a successful online tutoring business, it's important to create a strong online presence. This includes having a professional profile on tutoring platforms, creating highly engaging lesson plans, and utilizing effective teaching methods. Additionally, I recommend that you consider offering personalized tutoring sessions to cater to specific needs of each student. Positive reviews and testimonials can also help you to build credibility and attract new clients to your business. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is virtual assistants. Virtual assistants, or VAs, provide administrative support to busy individuals or business owners. If you're organised, have strong communication skills, and enjoy multitasking, this could be a great option for you. Tasks might include scheduling appointments, managing emails, or conducting some research. The key to success as a virtual assistant is to be reliable, efficient, and proactive. Building a strong reputation and a loyal client base is also essential. Now, to help you succeed as a virtual assistant, it's important to have a good understanding of various softwares and tools, such as email management systems, project management tools, and scheduling software. Additionally, I recommend that you be prepared to adapt to different client preferences and work styles. Building strong relationships with your clients is also crucial, so always communicate effectively, be responsive to their needs, and go above and beyond in your work. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral affiliate link. The key is to choose a niche that aligns with your interests and audience, and something that has a lot of demand in the market, and to create highly valuable content that helps your audience make informed decisions. Remember, affiliate marketing requires patience and some persistence. It takes some time to build an audience and generate sales. But with the right strategies and enough dedication, you can earn a substantial income through affiliate marketing. Now, to help you succeed in affiliate marketing, it's important to build trust with your audience. This means being transparent about your affiliate relationship and providing honest and unbiased reviews of the products or services that you are promoting. Additionally, consider using affiliate marketing tools to track your performance, optimize your campaigns, and identify any areas for improvement. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is social media management. If you're skilled at managing social media platforms, you could offer your services to other businesses. This involves creating and managing content, engaging with followers, and analysing performance. The key is to demonstrate your knowledge of social media algorithms and best practices, and to network with businesses that need social media assistance. Remember, social media management is a constantly evolving field. To help you stay ahead of the curve, you need to stay up to date on the latest trends and the best practices. Now, to help you succeed as a social media manager, it's important to have a strong understanding of different social media platforms and their unique features. Additionally, you'll need to be able to create engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Strong communication and interpersonal skills are also essential for building relationships with clients and managing their social media presence more effectively. Let me now give you tip number 8, which is online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, I recommend that you consider creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera make it very easy to create and market your online courses. The key is to choose topics that are in high demand and to create high quality content that provides really good value and answers to your students. Remember, creating and selling online courses requires a significant upfront investment of time and effort, but once you've established your course, it can generate passive income for years to come. Now, to help you create a successful online course, it's important to structure your content in a clear and engaging way. I recommend to use a variety of teaching methods such as video lectures, quizzes and assignments to keep students interested and highly motivated. Additionally, I recommend that you consider offering additional resources such as downloadable materials or live Q&A sessions to enhance the learning experience. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is app development. If you have a passion for technology and enjoy problem solving, app development could be a rewarding side hustle. The key is to have a great idea for an app that meets a need or solves a problem. Remember, app development requires technical skills and knowledge of programming languages. You may also need to invest in tools and resources, but if you're passionate about app development and willing to put in the effort, it can be a lucrative and rewarding side hustle. To increase the chances of your app success, I recommend that you conduct thorough market research to identify potential users and competitors. I then recommend you create a detailed app development plan outlining the features, functionality and monetization strategy. Consider collaborating with other developers or designers to enhance your skills and resources. Once your app is developed, I recommend that you focus on marketing and promotion to attract users and generate downloads. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is digital marketing consulting. If you have experience in digital marketing strategies and tactics, you could offer consulting services to other businesses. This could involve helping clients with SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, or even paid advertising. Remember, digital marketing is a constantly evolving field, so it's important to stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices. Building a strong network of contacts within the industry can also help you to attract clients and grow your business. Now, to help you establish yourself as a trusted digital marketing consultant, it's important to demonstrate your results-oriented approach. I recommend to showcase case studies of successful campaigns that you've executed, highlighting the specific strategies you used and the measurable outcomes achieved. Additionally, I recommend you offer a personalized approach to each client, tailoring your recommendations to their unique business goals and challenges. By demonstrating your expertise and commitment to delivering results, you can build a strong reputation and attract a steady stream of clients. Okay, so there you have it, 10 powerful tips that you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.